Hi all, now we are looking into Zara Zara chords in this video. So the song is in the key of B minor, but I am putting in the capo on the second fret and doing in the A minor chord progression. For the intro, the flute part, it goes like this. The chords are. So we have that A minor. So A minor, E minor, F and G. So we are splitting that 2 counts for each chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are doing with this rhythm down, 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 up, up, down, down, down. So that 2 times, and then we go A minor, E minor. So now here we gotta go. So a little bit rhythm will change. So we gotta go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So like that. So we have A minor for 2 counts, E minor for 2 counts, then we have C for 2 counts, then F for 1 count and G for 1 count. So this one we build this here actually. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Then again back. So we come back to the rhythm with different chords. Now we have A minor, E minor, now D minor, and then we go to G. So we don't complete that rhythm. We can just hold it on G so that the vocal parts come in. So whole progression I'll play for the intro chords when the flute plays. So starting with A minor. Now we go verse section. So we just for the first time we just play a single stumps like now 1 A minor, 1 2 3 4, then again A minor 2, then G 2. So now we have A minor for 4 counts, then again A minor for 2 counts, then G for 2 counts. So it will be like into 2. You got to repeat this section, then end with A minor, just hold for 4 counts, then again it goes back to the same progression with the rhythm. So now we have A minor 1 2 3 4, A minor, G, then again A minor 2 3 4, A minor, G, then hold that, and you start this. So we got to split now with the rhythm that. So we got to go. Next it goes to that A minor, next to Meri Kasam, that is A minor, G, F, E minor, then hold on A minor. Then again it will jump to that instrumental flute section where it has A minor, E minor chord progression. So after the flute part chords we have a chorus chords which starts with A minor, 1 2 3 4. Now again A minor for 2 counts, then we go for G for 2 counts. So then again we repeat this section. So A minor 2 3 4, A minor, G, again A minor 2 3 4, A minor, G, then hold on A minor 1 2 3 4. Then the rhythm starts. Same chords, you gotta just put in that rhythm down, 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 up, up, down, 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 down. So for A minor first we play full rhythm. energy we split like down, 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 up, down, down, down. Now we go into the next line, A minor, G, then F, E minor. So after this it goes back to that flute intro part chords. Now we'll see into that verse chords. So we have now whole count on the each chord. So we have 4 counts for each chords now. Here we have A minor 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor 2, 3, 4, E minor 2, 3, 4. Now split measures, C for 2 counts and E minor for 2 counts. Next we have that bridge section, Sardiki. So that is A minor for 2 counts, then E minor for 2 counts, then F for 2 counts, then G for 2 counts. Then again we go back A minor for 2 counts, then E minor for 2 counts. Now we ending is different, D minor for 2 counts, then G. Then back to the chorus. Yeah, so that's the chords for Zara Zara.